Well, ladies and gentlemen, that time has come again. Back in my dorm room for sophomore year. Contrary to what the camera is picking up, I actually have way more space than it looks like this time around because I oriented everything proper. Here's a look at my brand new PlayStation 5 I brought today. I got the Switch 2 over there. And most importantly, over on the window here, I've got the Z-Wiz, I've got the Pro 97, I've got the R500 and the 8993. And over here, I have the Spark HD14 and the version 1300. The only problem is it gets like shit reception over here to DaVinci 575, so I gotta fix that. I think I'm gonna buy an external antenna, fix it up there, because I want to leave this by my bed, but all moved in again. That's Pickle Rick if you can't tell. There you go. So with that being said, EAS videos are likely gonna come to a halt. However, I believe I have a gap in that will allow me to actually catch some weeklies. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed the alerts that while they're crappy in general, I hope you enjoyed the alerts that I caught yesterday. And, cheers to a good sophomore year.
Highs in the mid-70s.
Barely. Yeah, I'm still gonna count that. I did not realize that was for Narragansett Bay because looking at radar, I thought this was gonna be for like the Boston Harbor, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay area. But maybe they'll put something out soon for that. Cups right here for no reason.
Clear after midnight to 50 knots.
So that should go off if that happens. Well, we'll find out. But yeah, I got the AOMs. Still gonna count that.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Boston Harbor, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay, and the Sterling Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Boston Light, moving northeast at 25 knots.
Could have told you this one was coming like 20 minutes ago.
34 knots or greater and small hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Mass Bay Buoy 44,029, and Sandy Bay.
Sick. Oh, the thing fell.
12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Stupid antenna.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Essex Bay, Sandy Bay,
Whoa, what was that?
Bay, and Thatcher Island. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine.
I don't know what the hell that was, but that's not good.
At 12:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cranston, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. East Providence, Cumberland, North Providence, West Warwick, Attleboro, Easton, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Somerset, Attleboro, Easton, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Somerset, Barrington, Swampy, Seacon, and Rehoboth.
Narragansett is like blowing up.
Louis and Boston has begun especially Smithfield, heavy rain, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over enemy line, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and lightning. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mount Hope Bay, Connecticut Light, Granite Bay. Summer. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather
All day it's been Narragansett Bay, Narragansett Bay, Connecticut Light, Narragansett Bay.